Hello guys! Great Life, good morning! Yeah, this is Darren Kagiwa Vlog. I just wanna thank you sa part 1 ng ating YouTube channel monetization. Super thank you ako dahil yan, una sa lahat, thank you kay Lord. And thank you sa family ko. And then thank you sa Team Cute and Team Phil sa suporta na binigay niyo sa akin. Yan, thank you very much. And then syempre, salamat po sa buong buo ng Team Cute. And then syempre, ang Team Premier, salamat po. And then, nagpapasalamat din po ako sa Team Sueno family.
Congratulations po sa inyo, Sir Darin. Happy monetized channel. Wish ko na sana more viewers to come, more subscribers to come, and good luck po sa inyong channel. Congratulations po sa inyo.
Yeah, what's up? Darin Kagiwa Vlog. Ayan, congratulations dahil monetization ng channel mo. Ipagpatuloy lang ang iyong sipag sa pag-YT. Marating mo din yung ang pinakamalaking YouTuber. Kaya congratulations. Siyempre, andito lang naman kami ng mga iyong kaibigan na tutulong sa support sa iyong channel. And then, siyempre, laging magdasal, laging mag-ingat. Yan. God bless you and congratulations. Yung hindi pa po nag-support sa akin, Darin Kagiwa Vlogs, pag-supportan po natin ang kanyang channel. Yan. Click the subscribe and click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa kanyang mga videos. Yan. God bless po. God bless all. Thank you very much po sa inyo lahat. And congratulations, Darin Kagiwa Vlogs.
Hi, Darren! Sorry pala kasi na-late yung greetings ko sa'yo. Actually, nakalimutan ko siya talaga. And for the past few days, I'm not feeling well. So, eto na. I would like to greet you. Congratulations sa iyong achievement sa pagiging YouTuber. Well, I'm glad kasi na-achieve mo na ang iyong pinapangarap na ma-monetize. Ayan, lahat naman tayo, yan yung isa sa ating mga dream na sana ma-monetize na tayo. And now, you are now monetized channel. And congratulations to you. And more videos. Ayan. And thank you dahil napaka-supportive mo din. And you never failed na patawanin kami every time na naka-live streaming ka kasi alam na alam mo ang mag-entertain ng iyong mga viewers. So, I'm wishing you na more subscribers, more revenue, and thank you so much sa pagiging supportive always. And sana, lagi lang na keep your feet on the ground whatever you achieve in life. Ayan, I'm wishing you a happy life, happy family always, and also good health for your children and your family. Again, congratulations sa'yo. God bless you always and your family. Mami Arlene is here, Arlene Dominguez. And please subscribe sa kanyang channel, Darin Kagiwa Vlog. Ayan, mega love shoutout sa inyo. Sa baba, mega love shoutout. Congratulations!
Hello Lods, ayan, congratulations, ayan, nagugulat ako monetize ka na pala. So, ang bilis, dati, hindi ka pa umabot ng 1,000 subscribers, di ba? So, basta magsikap lang tayo, maabot din natin ang ating mga pangarap, ayan. So, dahil dito sa mundo ng YT, ayan, kailangan natin magsikap. So, congratulations sa iyo Lods, ayan, patuloy lang tayong pag-vlog, ayan. Alam ko parang isa kayatang ship mga puro luto din yung mo. So, ayan, congratulations sa iyo. So, ayan, monetize channel ka na pala. Ayan, pa-burger naman dyan. So, ayan, subscribe nyo siya guys. Ayan yung channel niya. Kita nyo. Ayan, so, yun lang Lods. Congratulations and stay safe and God bless. And more power to your channel.
Hello Lods, Darren Kagiwa. Gusto lang kitang i-greet ng congratulations, big congratulations sa iyong pagka-monetize sa iyong YouTube channel. And yun, sana magtuloy-tuloy na yan. And of course, i-wish natin na makasweldo tayo agad, di ba? Libre na Lods. Yun. And keep up the good work. Ay tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan for sure. Magbubunga din ang ating mga pinagagagawa dito sa buhay YouTube, di ba? So yun ulit. Congratulations and well done.
Hello, Darin Kagiwa Vlogs!
Hi, mega love shout out to you, Darren.
Congratulations!
We just want to congratulate new monetized channel. Sana all.
Monetize ka na, yan, congrats. At ituloy-tuloy mo lang yan.
Oo.
At isa rin sa libangan natin yan. Tapos,
salamat sa
Sa friendship.
yan at salamat sa sa advance na kutsinta ni Asian. Yan.
Wow, sana all.
Yan, more blessings and God bless always. Ingat
Oo.
lagi
God
dyan.
bless your channel. Alagaan natin yan. Upload lang tayo. Kasi monetize na tayo. So, susunod na ang revenue. Sana all.
Congratulations. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ayan, congratulations sa iyong newly monetized channel. Ayan, thank you very much at naging part ng Team Premier sa iyong monetization. At sana lalo kang sisipagin sa iyong pag-upload para lalago ang iyong bahay. Ayan, so thank you very much from Buhay Italia Jen and Family. Ayan, bye!
Hello, Sir Darren. I'm so happy for you, sir. Alam ko na you really deserve this because alam ko na pinagpuyatan, pinaghirapan at pinakaghihintay mo yung araw na to na monetize yung channel mo. So, ayun sir, I'm so happy for you and God bless, more power to your channel and more blessings to come to you and to your family. God bless po.
Hello everyone, it's me again, it's Nabs, and in today's video, I just want to congratulate one of the member of the Swim Eagle. TikTok Rest, That's Rest, no other than Mr. Darren Kagwa Vlog. Congratulations first for being a monetized channel. That's what you're waiting for. Just take good care of your channel. More subscribers, more viewers, and more revenue to come. Once again, congratulations. Keep safe.
Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel, your channel. Mayroon lang po akong mabatiin guys. Isa kong kasama sa Team Sueno Eagle. Siya po'y monetize na ang kanyang channel. Sa wakas, monetize na rin. Kaya ayan, congratulations sa iyo, Darren Kagiwa Vlogs. Ayan, congrats sa iyong new achievement bilang new monetized channel. Ayan, at ipagpatuloy mo lang ang iyong YT journey and tuloy mo lang ang iyong pag-active sa ating mga premier. Alam mo naman na ang iyong kailangan pag-ipunan ngayon ay ang iyong revenue. Kaya yan, kaya ituloy mo lang ang iyong nasimulan and good luck sa iyong new journey sa YT world. Kaya yan, bye-bye! Ingat lagi!
Hello! I just want to congratulate Darren Kigowa's vlog for being a monetized channel. This is just the beginning. Keep going. We're just here to continue to support you from Team Sueno Eagle. Good luck! Congratulations once again. You've reached this far. Keep going. We are just here to continue to support you from Team Sueno Eagle, of course.
Hello, it's Darren you're doing and continue vlogging. And now that you are part of the YouTube, you have or you need to work hard, more revenues to come, and more good luck to your growing channel, and keep on sharing great content of yours, and inspire us with your being you as creators. And congratulations again and good luck. Yun lang po.
Hi everyone, this is Yani in Italy. So I would like to congratulate Sir Darren for being a monetized channel. So as one of the Team Sueño founders, I am very happy because one of our goal being in our group is to make everyone or to help everyone being a monetized channel as well. Hindi lang naman tayo basta-basta premiere to premiere lang. Meron din tayong output, di ba? So yon, yung output natin is to make those non-monetized a monetized channel. So Sir Darren, congratulations again. And don't stop. Keep creating content, and most importantly, enjoy this YT journey. So God bless and more power to your channel. Ciao!
Oh, I'm still here. Wanted to congratulate
You, Darren, for being monetized channel. Finally, after
hundreds of years of fighting your videos uploading.
hundreds of years. After all the hard works, editing, uploading videos,
Sweating for hours on the bright
Vlogging.
night.
we would like to congratulate you. And it's time to gather some cents.
Yes, 1 cent at a time. In 10 years, you'll not finish.
1 cent every video. So you think about it, you have to post at least 100 video more to gather $1. Alright, so that's it. Congratulations. Keep uploading videos. Hopefully one day you will be famous like Boy Abunda.
Don't forget us when you're famous.
Yeah. Try to forget us. We will go to Pakulam you. Bye!